Oh, what is that?
Oh, let's see what's inside this present.
Who sent it?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that. What color is it?
Orange. My favorite color, and goes out with pants.
All right. Who sent them?
Auntie Clear.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
What else did you get in this box?
Let's see what's this present.
Wow, there's even more, huh?
Yeah. More orange. Pink polka dots.
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Look at all these clothes. So cool.
Wow. You're going to be well dressed this summer.
You look like Fruit Loops.
Yeah, I'm gonna look like chocolate Cheerios or with the colored Cheerios.
The colored Cheerios? Fruit Loops?
Here's some of this present. Green!
Alright.
Oh, is that an apple?
That's cute.
This looks like short.
Yep.
Nice.
Let's see what's this present.
Even more? See you later, Eleanor.
Oh, it's something red.
Oh, there's even a card in there, it looks like.
Oh, that's so nice for the 4th of July.
Let's see what this present is.
It's amazing how much was stuck in that little box.
Uh-huh.
What is this?
Looks like a card. Has your name on it.
Yeah, it has cards. It looks like for Valentine's Day.
Oh my. Is it Hello Kitty?
It sure looks like it.
With sparkles?
And crown.
Oh, how pretty is Hello Kitty?
That's a crown.
Let's see the card.
Oh, neat.
Look at those pants.
Matching pants with Hello Kitty on the leg. Sparkly hearts
Bows.
and bows. That's right.
Let's open this card and see what it is. I want to do it. This the card.
Uh-oh. What'd you do? Oh, I see.
Want me to read it to you?
What's inside? Open it up.
Bird.
Yeah.
Words.
Wishing a little princess the most marvelous birthday ever. Enjoy your day. Love you, Edith. From Auntie Claire and Uncle Neil. Hope you have a great day.
Alright.
How sweet is that?
It's sweet.
It's sweet, alright. I like the wand. But why is there no head?
I don't know.